Hey guys, let's get going with our foundations warm up for the day. Get focused, get ready to listen, get ready to think. Here we go. Repeat after Echo and I. STLE Castle Soul. TION Vacation Shun. SION Mansion Shun. SION Television Jun. Nice job with those new sounds. And now let's do some of the sounds using the smaller cards. We don't need to do all of them. We'll just do a few. STLE Castle Soul. TION Vacation Shun. SION Mansion Shun. SION Television Jun. Y cry I, Y baby E. You up you flew you mule you rule ooh. O octopus O home oh no oh. Nice job, and let's review a few posters. Let's start with our R control. AR car R. OR horn or. ER her IR bird UR burner. Very nice, everybody. And now I want us to take a little time and review and work on these new sounds. Looking at mine right here, I would like everyone to grab their whiteboards and write for me, what says shun? What are the sounds that say shun? Go ahead, write them down. You should have two. This is what you should write down because they both say shun. Okay, now what says jeune? Write on your whiteboard. What says jeune? Only SION. That's the only one. Okay. I'm going to have you now work on writing some words that have these sounds on your dry erase boards. Okay, here we go. So we're not always going to know if it's SION or TION. So I'm going to show you the way I want you to think through it and how we will check. Okay, so listen to this first word that you're going to write. Location. Say location. Okay, look on the top of your whiteboard. You have syllable frames here. How many syllables in location? Low, K, shun. 3. So we need to use all 3 boxes. Okay, so let's do the first syllable. Low. K, go ahead, write the next one. And then basically, for shun, how are we supposed to know if it's TION or if it's SION? Well, this is what we call a spelling option. We try it both ways. We try it one way, and then we try it the other way, and then we can use a dictionary or look it up online to check and see which one's right. If it comes after a long vowel, it's usually TION. Not always, but that's often a rule that can help you. So for location, let's go ahead and do it. We have to put them down here together, both ways. Location or location. Sometimes you might look at it and say, whoa, 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 I know which one it is. but sometimes you're not sure. And that's when you could go to dictionary.com and look it up. Okay. So on this one, we do have a long A right here. And like we said, usually if it's a long A, it's T-I-O-N. And this does look pretty funny. So then we know that this is the right one. If you were ever doing this, a word like this when you're writing an essay or on a test, you would write these kind of smaller on the side or get some scrap paper and then determine which one you think is right. And also, you know that in your student notebook, you have a section that is spelling options. And sometimes you could look here. So if I look in here for the letter L, aha, it does have location in here. So checking spelling options or checking electronically in an online dictionary or a real dictionary if you have one is an option too. Okay, let's erase the whole whiteboard and try another word. Repeat after me. Suspension. Someone who gets suspended from school has a suspension. Let's do the syllables. Sus, pen, shun. How many syllables? 3. So write out the ones that you know here, and in this box, we don't know. We hear shun, so we know it's one of those. Okay, go ahead. Us, pen, shun. Write it out both ways, or start to look it up first. You can look in your spelling options, in a real dictionary, or maybe you know. Suspension. And pause if you need more time before I show you which one it is. Yeah, that one's S-I-O-N, like mansion. Okay, nice job. Let's erase and try another word. Repeat after me. Selection. There's a beautiful selection of apples at the grocery store today. How many syllables in selection? Sell, ek, shun. Okay, I'm going to just keep my 2 types of shun over here. Sell, ek, shun. Go ahead, work on it. Okay, the syllables should look like this. Now writing it both ways and determining which one looks right, checking it if you need to. Pause until you're ready to check with mine. Selection. Okay, that's the right way, T-I-O-N. All right, let's try another one. Notion. How many syllables in notion? No, shun. Okay, so we only need 2 syllable boxes. Remember that rule. When we have a long vowel, it's usually T-I-O-N. Go ahead, write notion. Check it if you need to, and then check with mine. Notion. Okay, let's erase. Tension. 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 There's some tension in the room. Is it T-I-O-N or S-I-O-N? Check in the spelling options. Pause to take your time. If you just wait to check it with mine, what will you do when I'm not here? And you have to write this word. Tension. Okay, let's do one more. Decision. Decision. I hear Jean, so you know which one it's going to be. Because T-I-O-N doesn't say Jean, only S-I-O-N does. Go ahead, work on the syllables in not television, in decision. 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 The middle syllable is a little tricky here. Decision. Yeah, what makes this a little tricky is this is not a long I. It's almost like the S is kind of part of this syllable. And the C says in this one because an I comes after it. Decision. You need to make a good decision. Okay, let's erase and do a sentence. Go ahead and repeat after me. This expansion project will take years. This expansion project will take years. Pause here to do your sentence. Okay, if you're back, I want you to first tap out expansion. Expansion. 3 syllables. Check them all over. Okay. Check yours to mine. Pause to fix up any mistakes you made and let's read it smoothly. This expansion project will take years. Let's scoop it. This expansion project will take years. Okay, nice job. Let's erase and do one more sentence that has a word that we are working on in it. Okay, repeat after me. That mansion on the hill is huge. That mansion on the hill is huge. Make sure you start with uppercase. Do the syllables for man, shun. Okay, pause until you finish. Okay, you're back. Did you remember to put some sort of punctuation at the end? Okay, I did an exclamation point. Check yours to mine. That mansion on the hill is huge. Let's scoop it and read it. That mansion on the hill is huge. That mansion on the hill is huge. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to stop there for today. Please make sure that you erase your board. That way it stays neat for next time. And don't forget, when you're reading words that have shun or jun in them, you know that that's a glued sound that can help you read out the word.